Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set battery saver into low power mode on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to battery. In battery, okay, in power management, okay, you can see the choose battery saver. And okay guys, the choose battery saver is set into smart saving mode. And okay guys, to change into low power mode, you'll have to do is tap the choose battery saver. And okay guys, here there are option here, and okay, you can see the low power mode. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select the low power mode. And okay, if the low power mode is selected, limit the power consumption, recommended low power use. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully set battery saver into low power mode on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.